When I first held in my hands, right? When he just came to the world, that was the moment I really enjoyed as a father. I mean, having a daughter is a blessing.
Me and Harsh met in 2015 at Antragni. It was a 4-day fest and we met on the 3rd day. And we were just sitting randomly under a street light when this boy comes in and his friend was with us. So he came to talk to that friend. And suddenly I just told my friend next to me that this is the first cute IITian I have seen. And she was like, why don't you go ahead and try something with it? I had this intention that हाँ कुछ हो सकता है, कर सकते हैं कुछ. तो उसको ये intention नहीं था तब तक. And then हम लोगों ने वो पूरी रात, all of us were together, we partied, then we saw the sunrise in the morning and everything. And then in the morning I gave him my phone number. I took his phone and I gave him my phone number. And I think that was the start when he realized कि अरे यार कोई लड़की phone number दे रही है मुझे.
There was this one period which was a starting point where we knew that okay, this is the right person for me. Okay, you know, that chemistry kind of thing just clicked. It was on the 4th day of the festival at the prom night. When we were, you know, dancing close to each other and looking at each other's eye, there was no words, only staring at each other. At that moment, I felt that I am in love with this person.
मेरे दिल विच वस जा कुड़िए नी तेरे बिन मैं नहीं हो जचदा कुड़िए नी मेरे दिल विच वस जा कुड़िए नी तेरे बिन मैं नहीं हो जचदा कुड़िए नी मैं तेरा दीवाना कुड़िए नी तेरे बिन मैं नहीं हो रहना कुड़िए नी ए चुप्पी ता तोड़ कुड़िए नी आना कानी भी छोड़ कुड़िए नी कुड़िए नी कुड़िए नी कुड़िए.
Then we came back to Delhi and I am not a long distance person. So I told him that till the time you don't shift to Delhi, I don't think it's going to work out.
So that moment was a setback for me. Like, she had blatantly said it कि भाई long distance तो I don't think I can do it.
He didn't give up. So it was my birthday on 9th November. He did this whole huge thing with my friends.
I prepared a very good surprise for her. Like, it was a mix-up of 4 to 5 gifts. Some were memories, some were, you know, materialistic things as well. There was a date night involved. And I actually asked her parents out for a date. And that was when, like, we officially started dating each other.
We don't know who said I love you to each other. उसे भी नहीं पता, मुझे भी नहीं पता. It was just, I think, meant to be. And वो धीरे धीरे हम बहुत एकदम ये हो गया कि नहीं, separate नहीं हो सकते.
तूने कहा मैंने सुन लिया तूने कहा मैंने सुन लिया तूने कहा मैंने सुन लिया तूने कहा मैंने सुन लिया.
I used to question myself कि ठीक है भाई, मतलब ऐसा decision लेने से पहले I used to think, I used to introspect. So there was this one question which I wanted to ask to myself कि do I want to talk to this person maybe let's say after 5 years like we used to talk daily, right? कि भाई मैं क्या इसी तरीके से रोज़ इससे 5 साल बाद भी बात कर सकता हूँ? And the answer which I got was yes. So that was the defining moment for me when I thought कि okay, I want to live with her forever.
तूने कहा मैंने सुन लिया, तूने कहा मैंने सुन लिया, तूने कहा मैंने सुन लिया, तूने कहा मैंने सुन लिया।
जो मैंने बोला था कि मैं कभी लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस नहीं कर पाऊंगी, इट्स बिन 5 years, हम लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस में ही रहे हैं, हम once a month ही मिलते थे। उसमें बीच में मैं 1.5 साल यूके भी रह के आ गई, तो मतलब इंटरनेशनल लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस भी कर लिया है।
के दिन और रातें ढल गया, सूरज कहाँ, फिजूल की बातें, खो गए थे हम, जाने कहाँ। तूने कहा मैंने सुन लिया।